Imagine a world where teachers no longer waste time on roll calls and attendance data is stored automatically, securely, and in real time. Meet Presenter, an innovative, cost-effective, and hardware-based attendance solution designed for schools, colleges, and small businesses. Traditional attendance systems are inefficient. Manual registers are time-consuming and prone to errors. Biometric and face recognition systems are costly and require internet. Presenter is a standalone button-based hardware device that enables teachers to mark attendance instantly at a press of a button.
Let's move forward to the prototype demonstration. So here we have ESP32 module, we have an OLED display, and we have 4x4 keypad. So when the ESP32 will be turned on, the mean.py file will be automatically run. It will give us two options. Here is first option, take attendance. Then here is another option, transfer file. So let's select take attendance. It will give us the option to select a class. We will select the ninth class. Then here we will see the roll number of student, name of student. Here are 5 roll numbers in the class, and teacher will call the name of student and take attendance. And the attendance is saved. We can transfer this data with the help of Bluetooth to the device. Let's move forward to our Android part. Here is a mobile app called Presenter. Here teacher can mark students' attendance and can get the data by connecting the Bluetooth to our Presenter device. Here teacher will select class which is assigning to the teacher. For example, we have selected a third class. So it will start from roll number 1 whose name is Ajay. So we are marking attendance for every student, and this data will be saved to the database. We have successfully marked the students' attendance. Move forward to the other features of the app. We can take attendance of any other given date through this calendar. Teacher can move forward to the record section. The next section is top results. We have given the name of midsem. Then we can proceed and enter the marks of every student. Next, move forward to the next section. Here is a teacher's profile. Here teachers will get all the information of the class. Here is another section which is notification. We can send the teacher to the particular student or to the class. He will add a notification title, midsem result is out, and we will click on send. So I have opened the dashboard of student roll number 1 Ajay. He will select on academic details and get all the information of his result. Then when he select the view attendance record, so he can see all the attendance marked by teacher for him. The notification sent by teacher will be shown here.
Presenter is the next big thing in attendance automation. We are solving a real-world problem with a simple, affordable, and scalable solution. Join us in redefining attendance tracking.